Good day. Imagine a business being powered by data and automation. This is what my project, Robotic Business Automation, is about. Hi, my name is Ricky, and I'm here to share with you more about this project. This project came about because many firms are not sure how to integrate data with their business strategies. According to a recent survey, at least 60% of e-commerce companies are still using instincts and minimal data to develop their business strategies. This is largely attributed to, number one, companies find it highly troublesome to collect data from multiple sources. Number two, companies are not sure how to analyze the data they have been collecting and integrating them into their business strategies. When firms are not able to utilize business data in their strategies, this may result in firms to not be able to use the most optimal choice for their business marketing actions. As a result of this lack of data, firms will also find it highly difficult to stay ahead of the market trend. As a result, this may result in a firm to become less competitive, and this may lead to more serious consequences such as a loss of revenue, profits, and more importantly, efforts. To better help business to develop data-driven business strategies to increase their business plan competency, I came up with a business automation process which makes external data readily available at the fingertips of business owners for their analysis. As you can see from this slide, the process for collecting data is just a simple four-step process. With just a click of a button, this automation process is capable of automatically extracting data from multiple sources, cleaning of this data, and loading of this data into a business intelligence tool for further analysis. With this process, data is now readily available at the fingertips of business owners. Therefore, businesses can significantly reduce time needed to collect and clean data, but instead, now they can spend more time on data analysis to generate sales insights quickly, which allows the firm to react quickly to changes in market trend and therefore to stay competitive. With this gives business owners an edge to survive and expand in these ever competitive industries. The benefits of this robotic business automation are: number one, it is highly efficient. The process to extract and clean data is automatic and swift. Users do not have to wait very long for this clean data to be used. Number two, this software is free of charge. Companies do not have to pay to use this automation software. Number three, this is a highly agile software. So besides being able to automate data extraction and cleaning, it is also capable of automation in Excel activities such as VLOOKUP and pivot table. This is a multi-role automation software which is capable of helping businesses to automate tasks in many other areas as well. The key technology used in this process are mainly: number one, UiPath software. Basically, it is a robotic process automation software specializing in automation processes. Number two, Tableau. It is a data visualization software to help business owners to grab sales insights quickly and support business analysis. The potential enhancement of this process lies in many areas as well. For example, developers can expand the scope of automated services to other tasks to reduce the amount of mundane work business owners have to do. This can potentially help business owners to do less and achieve more. This can help business owners to focus on other more critical tasks and leave all the mundane work to automation instead. Currently, this process is adopted by a fast-rising e-commerce company specializing in fashion apparels. For more information, here are the contact details to contact the person in charge. With that, I end my presentation. Thank you.